You threw me away. You told yourself that was the end of me. You should have made sure I didn't come back stronger.
She was cast out, betrayed by the people who were supposed to protect her, and then the system activated, and everything changed. That entire scene you just watched, I built it using AI. No drawing skills, no animation background, no studio equipment. Just Domo AI, a few prompts, and the workflow I'm about to show you step by step. If you've had an anime story in your head that you never had the tools to create, this video is for you. Domo AI is an AI creative studio built specifically for anime, manga, and cinematic-style video generation. 3 main modules: AI video for generating and animating clips, AI image for character and scene creation, and AI editing for upscaling and polish. The entire pipeline, from character design to finished animated sequence, lives inside one tool. No hopping between apps, no file handoffs. And there's Relax Mode, which lets you generate on select features without spending any credits at all. Free, unlimited generation. Now let me show you how the whole workflow actually runs. Open Domo AI and go to AI Image. Click Image Editing. This runs on GPT Image 2.0, Domo AI's current image engine. Outputs at 2K resolution, clean text rendering, and it's fast. I'm building the lead character for this story, a girl expelled from her noble house after her powers were sealed. Type this into the prompt field. Silver-haired noblewoman, torn dark blue aristocratic gown with gold trim detailing, glowing violet eyes with dried tears, magical energy and glowing rune circles forming at her hands, crumbling palace ruins in the background, dramatic storm lighting with gold breaking through dark clouds, anime illustration style, ultra detailed, 2K. Hit generate. 4 variations come back. Look at the third one. The expression is doing exactly what the story needs. She looks broken, but the energy coming off her hands tells you something irreversible just happened inside her. That's the anchor image everything else gets built from. Save it. Now make it move. Click AI Video in the left sidebar, then select Image to Video. Upload the character portrait. Domo AI gives you 2 model choices here. Seedance 2.0. Fast for quick iterations when you're testing ideas, and the advanced model. Seedance 2.0 Full Quality for final output. For anything going out, use advanced. Select it. In the motion prompt field, type magical energy expanding outward from her hands, silver hair lifting in the wind, camera slowly pulling back to reveal the palace ruins behind her, golden light breaking through storm clouds above, cinematic and slow, emotional weight. Set duration to 10 seconds and hit generate. Watch the result. The magic circles are expanding from her palms with actual weight behind them, not just blur, real motion. The hair is responding to a consistent wind direction. The camera pull reveals the ruins correctly, and the scale reads the way you'd want in an opening episode shot. Notice how the gold light enters from the upper right exactly as the prompt described. That kind of prompt adherence is what Seedance 2.0 is doing differently. This clip alone is postable as a standalone reel. But we're building the full arc. Go back to AI Video and click Frames to Video. For this step, switch to Domo AI's in-house model. Important distinction. Seedance 2.0 supports only 2 images for frames to video, while the in-house model supports up to 8 images. For a multi-scene story sequence like this one, the in-house model is the right choice. Instead of generating one isolated clip, Frames to Video takes 2 to 8 images, your storyboard panels, and generates the connecting animation between every single frame. One continuous, coherent scene sequence from still illustrations. I've generated 3 more scenes using AI Image. The betrayal moment where she's forced to kneel in the throne room, the awakening shot where the system notification appears in front of her, golden text, rank display, the full Manhwa UI overlay, and the final scene where she walks toward the camera, kingdom visible behind her, completely composed. 4 images total. Upload them in sequence order. In the motion prompt, dramatic anime sequence, slow and heavy on the throne room betrayal, sharp and explosive on the system awakening, smooth and controlled on the return walk, seamless transitions, consistent character across all frames, dynamic lighting shifts between scenes. Hit generate. Watch Seedance 2.0 build the motion between every frame pair. The betrayal dissolves into the awakening through a visual shatter. The system UI fades in mid-transition exactly like a manhwa panel cut. The return scene locks into a forward walk that holds steady and confident all the way through. This is 4 still images becoming a 30-second animated story sequence. No frame-by-frame rigging, no timeline work, no exporting between multiple tools. Open talking avatar in the left sidebar. Upload the original character portrait. In the script field, write her line. The moment she arrives back at the palace. You threw me away. You told yourself that was the end of me. You should have made sure I didn't come back stronger. Now set emotion control. This is part of Domo AI's updated talking avatar. You assign a different emotional register to every individual line separately. First sentence, hopeful. She's stating fact, not threatening. Second, cold. Third, confident. 3 emotional states, 1 character, 1 generation pass. Hit generate. The lip sync on the result is landing cleanly. Mouth shape matches phonemes and the facial expression visibly shifts between emotional states as the tone tags change. This is not a voice layer sitting on top of a frozen face.
You threw me away. You told yourself that was the end of me. You should have made sure I didn't come back stronger.
The character is reacting, emoting, responding to what she's saying. Cut this into the sequence immediately after the awakening moment, and the story has its scene. Go to AI editing and open the upscaler. Upload your assembled sequence. 1 click, Domo AI sharpens every frame, reduces generation noise, and brings the whole clip up in resolution. Run it before anything goes public. The detail difference on the rune circles and the fabric texture in the gown is clearly visible at full screen. 3 plans. Basic is $9.99 a month. 500 credits, roughly 30 videos. Standard is $27.99. 1,500 credits, about 100 videos, plus unlimited generation via relax mode. Pro is $69.99, 4,000 credits, 6 fast lanes, full unlimited generation. Relax mode specifically means the generation queue runs without touching your credits at all. Slower queue time, but your plan balance stays untouched. Put that next to Hailuo at $124.99 a month, Pika and Runway both at $95. For anime-optimized output at this price, Domo AI is the gap in the market. Link is in the description. Click the link to generate your first video for free. New accounts get 15 bonus credits, no card required. Your character, your story, your anime arc. Drop a comment with which storyline you'd build first. Villainous Reversal, Hunter Awakening, Contract Marriage Romance. I want to see what this community creates. Subscribe for more tutorials on the AI tools that are actually worth building with.